Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's the end of September and the beginning of October, and I thought that I would share with you all of my favorites for this month. I have 5 products that I have been loving all month and I really wanted to share with you, and I'm going to get straight into the video. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. So let's get now into the favorites, and I'm going to first start off with makeup. And the first product I have is a blush. Now, I actually have a little bit of this blush on right now, and it's definitely one of my favorite blushes. This is by Maybelline, and this is the Color and Gloss Face Duo Stick. And this one has my favorite blush shade. It's this shade here, and it's this really nice raspberry kind of red. And I'm going to apply a little bit more. And what I like about this blush is it gives your cheeks a really nice kind of rosy raspberry glow, and it gives them a nice kind of sheen. And it kind of looks really bright in this tube, but actually it is quite translucent, so you can still see your skin a little bit underneath, and I think that looks so nice. It looks like you've just been out and done a workout and you come back from the gym and you have that nice kind of like flush glow, and that's why I really like this one. It also has this nice highlighter as well, which is really nice and moisturizing. It's kind of like a clear highlighter, but it just gives you that really nice dewy skin. It's really nice in the summertime. My next favorite product is a really summery highlight that I've been loving, and this is by Bobbi Brown, and this is the Rosy Glow highlighting powder, and that is what this one looks like. And this is just a really nice kind of rosy glow highlight, and I love these type of highlights that are really like a bronzy highlight that looks kind of like more natural, especially when you have a tan. I'm going to apply a little bit more and kind of just anywhere where I want a bit more of a glow. And because it has that nice color to it, it's going to give you more of a bronzy glow rather than just a highlight. So you can just apply anywhere where you need that extra highlight. And onto some skincare, and one product I have been loving is by Glow Recipe, and this is the first time me trying this brand, and this is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love this stuff because one, it smells amazing. You have to smell this when you go to the store, but this smells amazing. I love the look of the bottle. It's very nice, it's very cute. And I find that the actual formula of this is so beautiful. I like to apply it before I apply my makeup as my moisturizer, and it gives you that subtle radiance to your skin, but there isn't any shimmer. It's just kind of really plumps up and hydrates your skin. What I really love about it is non-comedogenic, so if you suffer from acne or you don't want to clog your pores, if you have oily skin, I have oily skin or combination to oily skin, and I find that this does not break me out at all. It's just really comfortable on my skin, and I like that it has this cooling sensation to your skin when you apply it, so it's perfect for in the morning, especially in the summertime when you can't wake up and you just want to apply something cool to your face. And this is what I've been loving. Next up, I have another skincare item. Well, kind of skincare bronzing. This is by The Body Shop, and this is the Honey Bronze. This bronzer is meant to be used as a tinted leg mist, so you just apply this on your skin and then it gives you an instant bronze and glow, and you don't need to wait. It's not a tanning gel, so when you wash it off you go back to your normal skin color. So this is really nice. You get 125 mils. I love the color of this. It's very natural looking. There is no shimmer at all. I was actually happy that I bought this one because there is no shimmer. It dries just like normal. It's not sticky. It just is very comfortable. I love the shade. It's not too dark, so it's not going to give you like 5 shades darker than your skin tone. It's going to give you like maybe 1.5 shades or 2 shades darker, and it looks really natural. And what I like about it is I actually use it not just on my legs, I use it on my décolletage, I use it on my shoulders, on my arms, and basically anywhere where I need a bit of extra glow. And it's perfect for anyone that doesn't want to apply a self tanner and just wants a nice glow. I really recommend this. So I have 2 products left, and the next is fragrances, and if you have watched any of my videos, you may have noticed that I really enjoy fragrances, and I have this fragrance that I've been wearing ever since kind of the end of winter finished, and then now we're in spring in Australia. So this is by Choo, and I can't stop smelling this, but it's just a beautiful fragrance. It kind of is perfect for the evening, I think like spring evenings, but you could definitely wear this still in cooler weather. I think it's kind of like an all-rounder fragrance. It's very sweet, so if you like sweet fragrances, you might like this. I like this one instantly when I smelt it. It's sweet, it has caramel, it has toffee in there, and it has Indian patchouli. So it's a really nice kind of like a floral fragrance, and it's a little bit sweet. It's just a really pretty fragrance, and I do find that when I spray it, I can smell it on me for quite a long time, and it's just a really nice kind of like feminine smelling beautiful scent. My last item is sunglasses, and I recently purchased these like last month, and these are from Le Specs. So these sunglasses are with the collaboration with Adam Selman, and this is the last Lolita sunglasses. So these sunglasses have a really nice cat eye shape, very kind of pointed on the sides, and I'm going to show you. So these are just really nice sunglasses that I love to wear every day. Made from like a plastic material, and they're very well made. They're strong, and it gives you UV protection, and they're just a beautiful style. So guys, those were all of my favorites for the month. I hope that you found something in here that you might like, or maybe you already own something in here and it's your favorite as well. Let me know down below what's your favorite for the month. I'd love to know, and I will see you all in the next video. See you guys, bye.